If you've ever wished you could control your Voltas AC right from your phone, this quick guide is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, you'll learn exactly how to connect your Voltas AC to Wi-Fi in 2025, step by step, simple, and frustration-free. Before you start, make sure your AC actually supports Wi-Fi. Just check for a Wi-Fi symbol on the AC unit or on the remote. If you see it, you're good to go. Next, grab your phone and download the Voltas Smart app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once it's installed, open it and sign up or log in. Now it's time to put the AC into pairing mode. Turn the AC on using your remote. Some Voltas models have a dedicated Wi-Fi button, while others require a button combination, like pressing mode and Wi-Fi together. Press and hold the option your model uses until you see the Wi-Fi indicator on the AC start blinking. Blinking means it's ready to connect. Open the Voltas Smart app and tap the plus icon or the Add Device option. Select Air Conditioner from the list. The app will now ask you to connect to your home Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 GHz network, not 5 GHz, because most smart ACS only work on 2.4. Enter your Wi-Fi password and hit Connect. At this point, the app should automatically detect your AC and start pairing. Once it's done, you can rename the AC to something like bedroom AC or living room AC, so it's easier to control later. And that's it. Your Voltas AC is now connected to Wi-Fi. You can adjust temperature, change modes, or even switch it on while you're away from home. If the connection fails the first time, don't worry. Try resetting the AC's Wi-Fi settings, double check you're on the right network, and repeat the steps. It usually connects on the second attempt if there's a minor glitch. Enjoy the convenience and get the perfect room temperature anytime, anywhere.